Hi friends, I am Dr. Ranjay Singh. Today topic is cell junction. I will start. If you new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So start with today topic cell junction. Definition. Cell junction is defined as the connection between neighboring cells or the contact between the cells and extracellular matrix. It is also called membrane junction. Cell junction, it is the two cells it is joined together and form a junction. Connection between two cells is called intercellular junction, tight junction, gap junction, adherent junction, and desmosomes and intercellular junction. This is type of junction. Contact between the cells and extracellular matrix or focal adherents and hemidesmosomes. Cell junction are classified into three types: occluding junction, communicating junction, and anchoring junction. This figure is show the how to junction in the figure, and this is a tight junction, which is any molecule not pass one cells to another cells, and this is the actin filaments, and the adherent junction, and this is the desmosome which is pass the big molecules to one cells to another cells, and the adherent junctions which is formed by actin filaments which is pass the only small molecules to one cells to another cells, and this is the connection which is the gap junction. It is the passes the molecules and focal adhesion, and this is the hemidesmosome. So starting the occluding junction, the junction which prevents the movement of ions and molecules from one cell to another cells is called the occluding junction. Tight junction belong to this category. Tight junction is the formed by the tight junction fusion of the cell membrane from the adjacent cell. Tight fusion is formed by the fusion of two adjacent cells. Their area fusion is very tight and form a ridge. This type junction is present in the apical margin of epithelial cells, in intestinal mucosa, wall of renal tubule, capillary wall, and choroid plexus. This junction is shown in the renal tubules and capillary wall and choroid plexus. Function. What is the function of tight junction? The tight junction hold the neighboring cells of the tissue firmly and thus provide strength and stability to the tissue. It provides the strength and stability to the tissue. It provides the barrier or gate function on the interchange of ions, water, macromolecules between the cell is regulated. Tight junction is the brain capillary form the blood-brain barrier which prevent the entrance of many harmful substances into brain, blood into the brain tissues, which is very harmful on my brain. Communicating junction, the junction which permit the movement of ions and molecules from one cell to another cells are called communicating junction. Gap junction and chemical synapse are the example of the communicating junction. Gap junction or nexus. The gap junction is also called nexus, and it is present in heart, basal part, epithelial cells of intestinal mucosa. Structure of gap junction. The membranes of the two adjacent cells lie very close to each other, and the intercellular spaces become a narrow channels. The cytoplasm of the two cells is interconnected, and the molecules move from one cell to another cell through these channels without having contact with extracellular fluid. This channel is surrounded by six subunits of proteins which are called connexin and connexons. Function of gap. What is the function of gap junction? The diameter of the channels in the gap junction is about 1.5 to 3 nanometers. So the substance having molecular weight less than 1000, such as glucose, also can pass through this junction easily. It is helps in the exchange of chemical messengers between the cells, and it helps the rapid propagation of action potential from one cell to another cell. It is the form a rapid propagation action potential, and it help in exchange of chemical messenger between the cells, and it is also pass the glucose which is less than 1000 molecular weight. Chemical synapse. What is the chemical synapse? Chemical synapse is the junction between a nerve fibers and a muscle fibers, or between two nerve fibers through which the signals are transmitted by the release of chemical transmitters. Which is the chemical synapse when the transmitter is uh, chemical transmitter is released, and it is act as a form two nerve fibers, and which is signals transmitted in the chemical transmitter by the brain, which is called the chemical synapse. Anchoring junction. Anchoring junction are the junction which provides first structural attachment between two cells or between a cells. The extracellular matrix. These are four types: anchoring junction, adherent junction, cell to cell, and focal adhesion, cell to matrix, and desmosome, cell to cell, and hemidesmosome, cell to matrix. This is type of anchoring junction, and this is one by one discuss adhering junction. Adherent junction is a cell to cell junction, that is the junction found between the cells. The connection occurs through the actin filaments, which is the connection is formed by the actin filaments. Adherent junctions are present in the intercalated disc of cardiac muscles and epidermis of the skin, which the adherent junctions present in intercalated disc and cardiac muscles and epidermis of skin. Focal adhesion. Focal adhesion is a cell to matrix junction, that is junction between the cells and the extracellular matrix. The connection occurs through the actin filaments. Focal adhesion, which is the formed by the actin filaments, and it is the between the two cells and matrix junction, which is the extracellular matrix. This type of junction is seen in epithelial of various organs. Desmosome junction. Desmosome is also cell to cell junction, but here the membrane to the cell are thickened and connected by intermediate filaments. Desmosome junction is the cell to cell and thickened and connected by the intermediate filaments. So desmosome function like tight junction. This type of junction is found in areas subjected for stretching such as skin. Hemidesmosome is also cells to matrix junction, and the connection is through intermediate filaments. It is like half desmosome because here the membrane of only one cell thickened, so this is known as hemidesmosome or half desmosome. Mostly the hemidesmosome connect to the cells with their basal lamina. Thank you friends. If you like these videos, please like, share and comments and subscribe my YouTube channel.